We're gonna kick off another remix. I wanna know you, and I wanna see you, and I wanna show you, girl, that anybody can do. I want you to know me. I don't want you to see me. See me when me give you this feeling all night long. Nobody can fuck you like me. Nobody can fuck you like me. Nobody can fuck you like me do. I said nobody can fuck you. Nobody can fuck you. And nobody can fuck you like I do. Why you say that's true, that's true. And nobody will ever do you like you. Yeah, this is the remix of You Remind Me. Original voice by Usher, but remix by me. And here we go. See the things I like about you, you, you. The things that makes my eyes looking bright, looking wide. Things I like about you, who you, ooh. And this bring me up one thing to say. Hey girl, you change your ways, change your ways. Cause if you not change your word, your ways, yeah. Cause me and one boy, not two. But if you go on like you want this me, go to the door. I move some ways me really like. Me not really like, me not really like. And if you can't listen to me when me talk, go to the door. Cause one thing me have to tell you right now, you remind me of this girl I miss the with, and she was bad. Every time I talk to her, she want fight. I me get mad. So me have to tell her, calm down. Cause she ever make talk numb. Advice. Remixed by your boy Triple. Yeah, it's baby. I love you, baby. I want you, and baby, me gonna need you. Everything me I say now, don't matter what me do. Cause sometimes you have two man on the side. Cause if you ever left me, me never stay lose me pressure. Me say no matter what me do, me always have two man on the side. That mean if you left me, me alright this day yeah, and when me and you just start talk, you already tells me you have two girls. But you never want to believe it. No me have said this to you. And every time we go to the store, you always want to pick the expensive stuff. When me tell you that can't go on. But you can't talk to you. Cause you are the one big woman. And me get to mad your body is. You tired to talk to you. So no matter what me say, you not listen about it anyway. Let me tell you some of the respect. Have two girls on the side any day. And me call she right now, she gonna say hello baby. And me call the next one, she gonna say the same thing. And me gonna call her, she gonna say hello daddy, baby. That's what my two side girl them call me, daddy and baby. You hear that? So let me tell you, no matter what me do way you a do. No matter what me a do, just do what you a do. Do what you a do. And no matter what me a do. Cause we two we not pre the same thing. I know we are pre the same thing that somebody are fasting somebody business. Stop it. Stop it. This girl, Miss Av, she burned me up. She almost burned me up because she loved me. And one thing she know that I love her too, right? Let's get it, baby. Don't give it unto me, but me not give you mine. Because Adam said, lady first. And if you give me your heart, me no take it and put it somewhere safe. And when you give me that heart, me go take it and put it right somewhere safe. Nobody not got there when no word that say, because it is somewhere safe. You got it, you got it.